Today I wanted to talk to you guys about the best value unlimited data plan for life on the road.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
The best value plan is offered by Visible. If you don't already know, Visible basically just resells Verizon service in a prepaid plan package. A lot of companies do this. Cricket resells AT&T's phone service. Anyways, I want to talk about some of the pros and cons of using their service. Let's start with the pros. So the number one pro I have is that Visible is super affordable. Your monthly bill can be as low as $25 per month per phone. It's using their Party Pay system. So Party Pay is not a shared plan. It's basically an online group of up to 4 people that anybody can join using your code, and each person that joins, everyone gets $5 knocked off their bill. So for a total of 4 people, it's usually $45 a month. You get 20 bucks off, leaves you with $25 a month. The second pro is that their unlimited data plan is truly unlimited. Most companies, AT&T, Verizon, etc., they give you a cap of data, and if you want to go above that, you have to pay more, and it gets really expensive. I think for a dedicated actual unlimited line of data, usually runs $80 to $130 a month. And the last pro I have is that because Visible uses Verizon service, it is the best coverage for this lifestyle. It's the best coverage in remote areas. And I also wanted to mention that from what I can see, all Verizon towers give service to Visible customers. And the reason I want to state this is because I actually used to use Cricket a few years ago, and Tasha used AT&T, and there were a lot of places where she had full bars and I actually had no service at all. And it surprised me because I was always under the impression that Cricket used all of AT&T's towers. So the first con I have with using Visible solely for data is that you're limited to tethering one device from the phone's hotspot. Now you can get around this if you buy a little travel router, and then you can tether your phone to the travel router and then connect your devices all to the travel router and get around that. And they also say that they cap the speed at 5 megabits per second, but me personally, I've gotten higher speeds than that, so it just depends. The second big con I have about using Visible is that they prioritize Verizon customers over Visible customers. And so what can happen is your data can be throttled essentially. Now we've used Visible for the past year exclusively, and it's worked great for us, but we have noticed that throttling usually happens in bigger cities, bigger populated areas, so like Dallas or San Francisco, for example. If you're someone that urban camps a lot, Visible may not work for you. I still think everyone should try it out. It's really cheap. They'll overnight you a SIM, and it never hurts to try, but it might be a deal breaker for some of you urban campers. I'll link that travel router in the description below. It's super handy. You can actually pick up public Wi-Fi hotspots and then broadcast your own little network in your van. It gets better range than your phone would. It's really came in handy in situations where we wanted to like park in front of Starbucks and get their Wi-Fi, but not like go in. So guys, to wrap it up, for people living on the road, Visible offers the best coverage and the most affordable unlimited data plan. We personally have used Visible for the past year. We stream Hulu, we stream Netflix, we watch YouTube, we upload these videos, we do the social media stuff, you know, it handles it all. Actually, I'll throw up how much gigs of data I typically use in a month. I also want to say before we hop off here that we're not affiliated, we're not sponsored by Visible, nothing like that. But if you guys do want to help us out, you can use our referral code QZRDN when you sign up for Visible, and that'll lower our bill to $5 per month for each person that signs up. Thought I'd throw that out there. And that's about it, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and got some value. If you did, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.